Goodbye gels, hello drops. That's funny. Alright. Ooh. Oh, this is really cool. So this is a 60 gram weight. It's really nice. It feels really good. Great packaging, super minimal. Super simple design here. This is the 120 drop. Same kind of situation. And the 200 gram. I'm excited to try this one on my floor tom. Of course, my snare drum. Instead of, you know, putting your bulky wallet on the top. So what do you say we go check these out, place them on the snare drum, and do a little test and see what it sounds like. That was a lot more surprising than I thought. They really added a texture to the snare drum that I haven't really found through other companies, other products. It's super easy to just change them out. They're snug enough that it's not gonna pop off when you're playing, but it's just the right amount of tension that when you put that drop on, it's gonna stay there. So I'm really happy. I think this is a great product.